Hey there, welcome to this lesson. This time I'll be talking about the references I used to get inspired for drawing my characters. When we refer to Japanese art, the first thing that comes to our mind is the traditional woodblock printings, characterized by the colors and drawing technique. This technique uses water-based inks, watercolors, Indian ink, and so on, which contribute to create an effect, let's say a warm effect. So you can see on the screen, many of these printings got a yellowish aspect over the course of time. Many artists and artistic trends have been inspired by these artworks as well. This one you see on the screen is a ukiyo-e, a genre of Japanese art, which is characterized by reproducing landscapes, everyday scenes, females, and so on. Okay, so what are we going to focus on this course? Well, as I said before, we'll be focusing on folk tales or myths in order to represent the Japanese art style. In my case, I'll be paying attention to characters and how to represent them. But you can choose any other type of representation. Obviously, it must be connected to this Japanese art. Okay, as you can see, there are lots of references about tattoos as well, which are inspired by this traditional Japanese artistic trend, okay? As you can observe, Google shows us thousands of different options and references. There are different types of images and references. Each of them presents some particular characteristics, especially regarding the drawing technique. For example, this one, those black strokes, which are quite striking, right? Details are also very important in this style. Okay, guys, let me look for some resources to show the different styles within the same technique. Remarkable features are details or the use of flat colors that all of them embody the essence of the place where they were born. Just have a look at the results. Okay, let's continue with the search. I'll try on Pinterest. Okay, so guys, these are the references we get here. Some of them appeared before. And there are recurrent topics like carbs or the sea, flowers or birds. Everything is connected with the nature. And these are quite frequent in this kind of drawing. Others are geishas or kabuki theater. But as I said, these are recurrent themes. Regarding the inking, frequent themes are clouds, flowers, intense, dark, and striking colors. And again, there are lots and numerous images, some of them of birds, others of samurais. Anyway, I'm particularly interested in Japanese folklore, so I'll try to dive into this world and look for something flatter. It may contain details, but I want it flat. Okay? I'm going to select those I like the most, like this one of the flowers. I really like it. I'm also going to look for some paintings of masks. For instance, this one has a quite detailed drawing technique, something quite frequent in this style. So, guys, just as I keep saying, these are recurrent topics in Japanese printings. I've been researching and I found a particular story which I would like to represent, which is the story of the Oni. According to the legend, a long time ago, there were two ogres, the Onis, the blue ogre and the red ogre, and they were friends. The red ogre wanted to be friends of humans, but humans were afraid of him, so they would call them monsters and attack them. So the blue ogre realized all that and shared with his friend, the red ogre, a plan so that they could become friends with the humans. So according to the plan, the red ogre managed to cast his friend from the place. And that way, humans started to like the ogre, the red one. However, when the red ogre tried to look for his friends and thank him for his help, he realized that he was gone and that had left a message for him, wishing him the best with his new friends. Well, here we find different representations of the story, where we can see the red and the blue ogres. The red ogre is depicted with horns and the blue one with just one horn. So I'll take this into account for my drawings. Regarding the demon's masks, as you can see, there are many. However, the most important thing here is that they arouse fear. These are Japanese demons, quite perturbing in fact. They are depicted with sharp teeth, crooked fangs and horns, and more than two eyes, which contributes to create this disturbing appearance. If we look for this tale on internet, we'll find different sites talking about the legend. Although you can look for any other myth or legend of this culture and try to represent it in your drawings following the step I'll give you throughout the course. Okay? Also, you'll find lots of references and inspiration on the internet that will be of great help when designing your own creatures and characters. And, well, you can even look for it in books if you want to. The important thing is to have references, okay? See you in the next lesson.